Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all those things greatly appreciated. So let's dive right into it. So looking at the Bitcoin chart, as many people know, there's some stuff going on between the United States and Iran. Um, Iran did something with an embassy, and then the U.S. just struck back and killed one of the main military leaders. And so this had a few different effects on the market, it seems. We've seen the Bitcoin price jump up. We also saw the gold price jump up, and we also saw oil jump up. And I think that the fact that Bitcoin surged as well as with gold because of this news is a big thing, is a big moment for Bitcoin, right? Because it shows that in times of uncertainty, that people are going to be moving towards Bitcoin as opposed to moving away from Bitcoin or moving to other assets, either cash or gold or those types of things. It shows that they are moving to gold, but then also Bitcoin. And yeah, the Iran market isn't all that big. But I want to start with a little news here. I want to show a little bit of news here where Bitcoin on localbitcoins.com did jump up to almost $30,000 a Bitcoin. $30,000 a Bitcoin, right? That's a huge jump as people in Iran are beginning to move out of that and move into like what Mike Novogratz said, into the digital gold, right? So I think that's a big thing. I would agree with Mike Novogratz that it's great to see the Bitcoin price react to this global uncertainty. It was just hours after that U.S. airstrike killed the Iran's most powerful military commander, and we saw gold jump up, or we saw Bitcoin jump up along with gold and along with oil. So here, looking at gold, we saw this is the 12-hour chart. After that news, we saw gold jump up almost 2%, which is a pretty big move for gold, especially after it's already had this overextended jump. Might be seeing a little bit of no divergence there on the 12-hour at least. And then oil just cranked up a good 3 or 4% there. Yeah, almost 5% it before it pulled back. So Bitcoin. So what does this mean for Bitcoin? We'll have to see. We're watching. This is the daily chart, Bitfinex. I'm still waiting for this descending wedge to play out. And it's interesting too. We can notice that the descending the top trend line of this descending wedge is almost in lockstep with the 100-day moving average. So something to watch for. So we can get a push above that 100-day moving average on the daily. I think that is going to be a really good sign. Now, are we going to see a push down before that? I'm not sure. If we do, I'll be buying here in the $5,600 mark. If we lose much more of that, and that's more than like a wick, if we get a pretty strong close, daily close below 6,000, it's going to be a little cause for concern for me. I kind of see that as a line in the sand. Let's look at the weekly. That's where we had a ton of that buying before the descending triangle broke back at the end of 2018. So it's a line in the sand. If we start getting a close below that $6,000 mark, I think we might go into a prolonged bear trend. We'll see. We'll see what that means. I know the halving's coming up in May. So maybe that just prolongs the bear trend until May, and it's not until after the halving that we start to see some life in the Bitcoin market. I'd say possibilities, probabilities, that's a little bit lower on the scale, but we'll see. But just, patiently waiting right now. I do have some long-term holdings of Tezos, long-term holdings of Zcash. I just added to my Zcash position. But yeah, that's going to be a longer-term hold. And, I have some long-term holdings in Bitcoin. I will add if we get down, if we get a wick down to that $5,500 mark, or if we break through that daily 100-day moving average and out of this descending wedge. So that's what I got for you guys today. Love to hear any questions or comments that you guys have. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in future recordings and in the trading room. Have my Discord trading group. You guys are more than welcome to jump on there, see my trades in real time, follow along, or trade with me. Cool, guys. Have a good one. Thanks.